Okay. I'll start like with the 3 second timer. Why not? Because I just forgot to click on YouTube altogether. Okay, let's start with our usual song. Alrighty, I am here again. Interesting day, man. Alrighty, dighty do. Hope you guys are doing well. I am here. And hope you guys are ready to get some interesting learning today. The reason I'm saying that because, as you know, right, I posted in Yo unknown. What's up, homie? Who we? UV. Yo, wrench. Sorry. How you guys doing, lads? Okay, so as you guys saw, right, in the Discord, I posted something. I know, I am sorry, man. I'm sorry. I see Shin-chan, it comes out automatically. It's your fault. Okay, so first what we'll do. Okay, the first thing we'll do is look at the SAT Tech of CES 2026. What was by our great wrench or Shin-chan. So we'll look at this video and then we'll go into our web hacking, where I shared the PDF file which contains all the concepts of file upload, and we are going to cover this, and I think we should be able to cover it. Reason being that it actually summarizes all the things, and we can just go back and forth little bit, understand like what they are saying in certain topics, right? And hopefully try to cover the whole file upload vulnerability today itself, and share them in live channel. Okay, can I do that? That'll be interesting. So first is this link. Can I share that? I don't think I can share the live channel, actually. Live, the Discord channel. Okay, let me share my screen first, I guess. That's important as well. Okay, live channel. Going live. Here. Here you go, boss. So I want to complete this. Yeah, I really thought that. Yes, I did. But another interesting thing I want to talk about, right, is that we will be doing a CTF on Friday or on the weekend. Depends. It just really depends on certain aspects of work, right? This will get me banned? Okay, I won't do that then. Okay, I think, yeah, it might get me banned. Okay, yes. Okay, I won't touch that. Let's look at NVIDIA CES. NVIDIA has like given us, I don't know if you guys remember NVIDIA map. There was a very interesting image that came. Map. Where is that? I think it was this one. Not this. Just a few seconds were not good. Dude, I have no idea. YouTube can do that. Like, I know for a reason that YouTube, in my case, it can ban me even the actual video will be online. Happened to Carry Minati in one of his videos. I know that for sure. Okay, here's the video. Oh, sorry, the photo. A very interesting thing, right? Perception AI, generative AI, agentic AI, and physical AI like self-driving cars and general robots. This thing was shared last year, and it actually by Nvidia, and this every single thing is coming true. Every single thing is coming true. It's amazing because like this year will be the year when we talk about self-driving cars and general robots more than just agentic AI, coding assistants, blah blah blah. No, monetization doesn't start. I'll show you all the truth. Here you go. Yep. So there are two monetization. One is, let's say if I want super chats or anything, I need 500 subscribers and 3000 watch hours. We are at 2500 in last 365 days. For ads like this stuff, that's like level 2 where I need 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours. So YouTube has its own ways. On Twitch there are ads for sure, as you guys see, and I think I'm earning almost $1, sometimes $1, sometimes half $1, and we are at 769 subscribers, which is amazing. Okay, so with that all interesting things, right, let's get started. It's been 5 minutes, right? Let's get started with our learning journey, where we will be covering all the file upload vulnerabilities that are by PortSwigger Academy, the web academy, and I really want to cover these things the way I like to cover. So I asked Comet, right, to go over here, explain all the vulnerabilities, why they happen, right? It's important to understand why they happen, how to exploit them. This thing we can just actually look here as well, because these are the same topics we are covering. Right, we will be covering the same topics, remediation and any associated labs there are, which we will be doing. Also, I have my Kali with me with the Burp Suite ready, the browser ready, so we can start working directly on here. Okay, does that sound good? Like happy with that? You guys, hopefully you guys are also ready for this, because today might be a longer session. I really want to complete this, as I saw VMware is better. Okay, I just use this. This has been a habit, I guess, almost. We can switch. I can look into that as well, but has been a habit almost, right? Also, the reason I want to really cover this, because as you remember, right, because I don't want to be in the, that's called tutorial hell, where we are just doing things, there's nothing happening. There is a where is that? There is low fee, I think we did. There was another one, inclusion. File inclusion, where is that? Okay, let me go to my profile. Saved rooms. I thought Lofi completed, right? No? Okay, we'll do Lofi again. Then I can do Lofi again. Here, no, not IDO. Where is the saved room? Saved here. There's upload vulnerabilities. We have that, and then there is inclusion. I thought there was one. Oh, inclusion. I think they removed that one. But there are some which we can do, and that's what I want to do for the for next 2 days. Okay. So today will be longer, so we can do hacking for next 2 days. Okay. Hopefully that's good with you guys. Let's get your PDF ready, and we'll start with our file upload vulnerability. We covered what file upload are, where we completed. Idor was here. What's up, bro? Howdy. All the best for your stuff, man. All the best for your exam. I want to hear some amazing news. I want to hear that in the flex zone, the certification. Okay? You have to post it. Oh, he has like that TCM one, if I'm not wrong. That's the company name, right? PWPA. Practical Web Pen Test Associate. This one. Looks cool. I think this is like a great one to look for. Right? This is the one, right? IDOR? Yeah. Bro, I think out of all of us, IDOR has the most certifications. Interesting. I will tell you something very interesting. I recently was talking to someone. Certifications, right? Specifically in cybersecurity, certifications have more value. If you want to get a job, certifications can help you. But when it comes to, let's say, cloud development and stuff, right? Certification when you are inside the role can help you more, get like a promotion and stuff or like new role. But just getting a job, that's a little bit hard. Oh my god. Oh bro. Let's not use that name. Let's not use that name. Holy. Okay. Going back, right? Going back to what we did, right? Let's see. Let's go back to. Yeah. iPhone 16 Pro Max. Holy. Okay. You guys enjoy, right? To keep doing whatever you like to do. But also let's focus on our hacking. That's where I think a lot of people are here for, right? We completed yesterday, if you remember, remote code execution with the file. This we completed solve, right? And let's see, we completed this one with the content type restriction. Now, preventing file inclusion in user accessible directories, right? That's the one we have to start with. So let's go with that. Preventing, explaining how to. What is this topic number? Path traversal. Okay. User accessible. Preventing the file inclusion in user accessible directories. Okay, I won't look at the chat right now. I won't look at the chat. We are here preventing file inclusion in user accessible directories. Explanation, right? And how attackers bypass it. Explaining the defense and risk. Some servers configure upload vulnerabilities so script inside them are not executed even if they are script files. This stops a direct web shell, but other directories may still execute the script. Important. Why issues remain, right? Directory level configuration differ because if let's say if this is our right, we are in like let's say var www, right, whatever, and then we are in our app folder. Here the file inclusion is a no-go, right? But let's say if we are able to put the file in Nginx folder, right? Let's say there is an Nginx folder here and file inclusion here is possible, right? So that's how we can do it, right? That's the main goal of this. Directory level configuration. Different directories, there are different configuration. Areas assumed safe might actually execute scripts. Reverse proxies and multiple backend servers may have inconsistent settings. So use path traversal like // attack in upload paths to replace a script outside the log directories. Find other directories where the same file is treated as an executable. So first we have to find which directory. If we are here where it's a no-go, we have to find which directories we are actually allowed to execute script here or even www or var. Find those and then upload the script there. So let's go here what they say. While it's clearly better to prevent dangerous file types being uploaded in the first place, second line of defense is to stop server from executing any script. As a precaution, servers generally only run scripts whose MIME type they have been explicitly configured to. Otherwise, they may just return some kind of error message. So let's say unless it is a proper file or something like a script one, just a plain text or an image, they won't execute this, right? I have ran it. I can't run it right now. I'll run it whenever it comes. So here we see content type and then the code. This behavior is potentially interesting in its own right, as it may provide a way to leak source code, but it nullifies any attempt to create web shell. So we can't get web shell, but we can still get some content. This kind of configuration often differs between directories, as we were talking about. A directory to which user supplied files are uploaded likely to be much stricter, but if we go out, we can upload scripts in those directories, in more parent directory or sibling directories, right? And reach out, get the file location and run the script in a different directory. So let's do this. You should also note that even though you may send all your requests to the same domain name, this often points to a reverse proxy server of some kind, like the Nginx we were talking about, such as a load balancer. To people who don't understand what load balancer is, this is your internet, right? The cloud. Now, if you want to reach facebook.com, this is, let's say, the Facebook server. There is not just one single Facebook big server, right? There are multiple servers in every single region, like different countries, different places, different cities, based on how the traffic is. So this server, let's say, is in India. There is one more server, let's say, in Canada, depending on like how they do it, right? So let's say if you are accessing Facebook in India, there is something going to be here called load balancer, which will like help determine which server the things go to. And in India, there are billions of users in India. So if there is another Indian server of Facebook, it can determine, okay, whether it will go to this one or this one, based on which has a less load, based on the algorithm like round robin and stuff. Do look at AWS ELB, something or AWS ELB, Elastic Load Balancer. It gives you a little bit good understanding of what load balancer are, what features there are. Application load balancers we are talking about, there are multiple others, but that's the one you should look at to get a better understanding here. Okay. Yeah, CDNs are good too. Like they are basic, not good, just important, right? Content delivery networks. Those are also like very important. With the load balancer, there are CDNs, not just directly the server, because CDN servers are special type of server which will have cached information. But why I don't want to reach here, because it's not needed. First learn about the load balancer, then we'll talk about CDNs. But that's a good one. Wrench, good one. Okay, let's go to web shell upload via path traversal lab. I don't like when it goes to a new. Going back here. Okay. This is the path. I'll just open it in my Kali. Okay, running a ad in as you requested in Twitch. For people who want, right, come to YouTube. There are no ads there. Twitch I do because that's how they rank me higher, unfortunately. And I'm poor, that's also unfortunate. Need that. Okay, we are at web shell path upload 1. access the lab, I think I have to log in quick. Give me 1 second, lads. I will log in quickly. Okay, beautiful. Alrighty. So we are here. This is our file or the blog where we have to hack. Now we know the username and password Wiener Peter, right? Let's look into the account. Wiener Peter. Now here we have our upload file. The lab contains a vulnerable image upload function. The server is configured to prevent execution of user supplied files, but this restriction can be bypassed by exploiting a secondary vulnerability. The secondary vulnerability is like path traversal one. To solve this lab, upload a PHP web shell, execute it to exfiltrate the contents of file at this place. So probably, let's see. I want to try first like uploading the shell. Let's see if we can. Select, upload, goes to our burp suite. Let me increase the font. We can drop this. Okay, so this is our stuff. It is uploading here the contents of the file. My account avatar. So what I will do is /. Let's see if it works. Something happens here. Also, I'm going to do is target and just put this to add to scope so we don't see the garbage. It's so much. Not found. Okay. But let's say if we go back, oh, for now let's keep the intercept off. Images, avatar. Okay, so we need to get like create a script that will just get the contents of the file for me. I'll open this here. Instead of all this, can I do just file get content like here they mention? I just need to get the contents of that area. Get and then command. Let's is there like a file get content one which we can directly use? 1 second, lads. My feet are super cold, so I have to get a blanket. So it finds stuff, but it won't write it for me. Okay, great. Okay, let's try this way. Home Carlos secret. Why aren't you asking Echo? Sometimes it gives great answers. Okay, sure, boss. You're my man, bro. I'll do whatever you say. I'll just do Echo. Like this. And then here mention home. How you doing, bro? I'm not working. Echo from THM, I mean? What do you mean by that? I really didn't get it. We are not doing THM though. FYI. Oh, the THM AI. Oh, yeah. I didn't think of it. I have not used that AI ever. So, yeah, I'm down to use that. Give me 1 sec. I'll play with this one for a sec. See if it works. If not, then we'll do that. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, we'll try that. Just want to... Where is this file gone? Echo. Okay. Now if I turn on the intercept, for a second I'll turn it off. File, upload. I want to see the location where it's being. WebKit, document, so post. But this one, do you think it will work or not work like the one I just wrote? File name is changing. Okay, we are just changing the file name here. Send to repeater. Here, keep this same. File name. Oh yeah, I might have forgot to tell the server I won my first boxing match last Sunday. Oh really? Nice. Wait, boxing match like a professional boxing match, or like, you know, when you are fighting with your schoolmates? Just fighting with the schoolmates? Oh, pro boxing. Oh, nice, bro. Good job. Send this. Cool, bro. Cool, cool. So can't say a super official yet. Oh, that's awesome, bro. That's pretty good for you. Good job. Can you beat that person who stole my iPhone, man? Can you please do that? If we are in the files, at that went to at least I should have some way, right? Some way. Files, it's going in the files. So let me think here. I upload it, let's say. I did, I believe so. Repeater. Back to the account, right? Let's say copy this one here. Yeah. This was the request, right? File name // start with the normal content, maybe, to get if it takes file or not. It does take the file. We know that. I know that for sure. Let me do it this way. Delete selected. Yeah. So if we start with a fresh slate, right? Here's the file, right? I upload the echo one. Oh, it gives the location. So if I upload, keeping, yes, forward it. File avatars echo.php has been uploaded. No execution will happen here, because we know one thing. Back to my account. If I go here, if I upload, right, open image in new tab. Here's the location, files avatars echo.php. Sure. The name of the file is web shell upload via path traversal. Here. Oh wait, it did. Files avatars echo.php didn't execute. Yo, unknown, what's up? It didn't execute, it's just giving me the output. Which is good, at least we know that. Then is there one in here? File content is this. Oh, here you mean if I go here, application xphp, so you want me to do like image png, let's say, like that. File name here. Set it to PHP. It was PHP, right? I was just saying maybe it did set it to JPEG. Auto set maybe. No, it was PHP. Application dash PHP. Oh. So SVG or something, I think the default avatar has another image extension before. I think it was PNG or JPEG that was like given to us. If we go here, we can have text plain. That's one thing we can have. But it was PNG or some JPEG. Yeah, JPEG is here and PNG. No, like we need the part, like the secret, right? That's all we need. Can you open the request tab for the post request? No, unknown. We need to get like the content of this one. That's the thing. That like we need that to be printed on the screen. Request tab, okay. Where's the request tab? Proxy? Oh, here. I did, right? I did that. It was /echo content.php. And then when I did this, it went properly, right? This is the location of the one without // and when it did, right, instead of files avatar, it went outside there and should be then in my account. Maybe URL encoded, send it with the URL. No, if you read the lab, secondary vulnerability is part traverser attack, circumvent common attack phase. So here's the file name. This is what we have to do. Right? It does mention all that information. Maybe I can do is something like this. encode in the URL encoding. Okay. Control plus U. I'm doing it, not working, boss. Not working. I'm just thinking, if we have avatar here, can't I just do it will be avatars, my account, and then out. If I do something like this, what do you want me to change it to? Application and then what it was before? Believe this was like this, application x PHP. Okay. And where you want me to go now? This is taking longer than expected. Let's do this way as well. Try this. Yeah, I'm going to ask, let's say, where's this guy gone? Where's that echo thing? Yo, Jende, what's up, bro? Holy, this is taking. I'm doing good, man. You just join in a room. You must join in a room. Let's see. Get me one. A simple. We are doing PortSwigger, man. PortSwigger exercise to learn file inclusion. No, I did. I'm just like thinking in the, like I know what it is. I just want to see. Give me the payload. I had the ones. Those are not working. So I need to know which to play around. I'm just making stuff for birds for projects. Lol, nice. Wait, something came up there. 1 second. It's shit. Okay, URL encoded. That's what you want. How you want me to do URL encoded? I can check it out. I just need like I can't get links right now on stream. I have blocked those, or my friend blocked those. So you can send in the Discord to me. Send me a DM me. I would love to check it out. And URL and code. Selected text decode. Like this, you want? My account. Send it. DM me. DM me. Oh. Like this, okay. Percentage to where it is. Okay, let's send this. My account. Thank you, man. I'd love to check it out. One sec. What are you saying, Wrench? Avatars slash what slash? This is your okay. It did work. Oh. Okay, one sec. So in files, if I did but with the dot slash URL encoded, this happened. Cool. Thank you, boss. Interesting. Okay. Interesting. I need to spend a lot of time in this. But so basically I had to URL encode the slash part. That was the only thing I was missing. Well, I was earlier doing this, right? My request earlier was this. I see. So if I have this content 1 PHP, if I do this again, yeah. But if I do URL convert ish URL this, send this, now it will work. Okay. But when sometimes they just block the slash in the backend. But when encoding a front server does not decode it and sends directly to the backend server, which decodes it. Okay. Interesting. Sounds good. Sounds good, bro. Gotcha. Okay. Sounds good. I will love to look into that, like once the stream is over, and based on what the content is, right? Because I don't want to upload a virus online. Okay, let's go to the next one. Insufficient blacklisting of dangerous file types. Next content in. So echo is not good. That's one thing. Okay. Insufficient blacklisting of dangerous file system. Explaining the vulnerability. The app blocks a few obvious extensions, right? Insomnia, why? What's up, bro? Are you okay? Checklist for what? Oh, gotcha. Insomnia, what happened to you? Also, Wrench, what checklist for what? I will 100% check it out, man. It's just, it has happened before, so. Oh, no. Dude, Echo, the reason, if you see how this guy has been doing, their CEO is just, I don't know. If it doesn't work, do this and then do this. Oh, okay, yeah. That will be a good checklist to make, indeed, yes. Okay. Next, insufficient blacklisting of dangerous file types. Explaining the vulnerability. The app blocks a few obvious extensions, for example, .php, .py, whatever, but misses others or is inconsistent. Because PHP doesn't work, but PHP 5 might work. Attackers bypass with an alternate or obfuscated extension. Gotcha. This happens. So why this happens? There are many executable extensions and the server can map new ones via configuration files. Blacklists are hard to maintain and easy to bypass with parsing quirks. How to exploit? Use alternatives like PHP 5, SHTML, obfuscated one with P and capital H, or php.jpg. All these interesting ways they have done. Remediation, use an allow list to know safe extensions and normalize file names before check. So basically they are saying instead of like a blacklist, have a allow list, which is like, okay, only .jpg, nothing, no dots before. Strip dangerous substring recursively if doing any extension rewriting, right? So, and we have two labs here, obfuscated one and blacklist bypass. So, insufficient blacklisting here. Same thing they are saying. One of the more obvious ways to preventing is a blacklisting potentially dangerous files like the PHP. How they can be bypassed, alternative file extensions like PHP 5 and SHTML. Overriding the server configuration. As we discussed in the previous section, servers. Oh yeah, PHP 5. I know because I think one of the rooms like also has the same. Yeah, like pickle rig or something. Unless they have been configured to do so. For example, before an Apache server will execute PHP files requested by a client, developers might have to add the following directives to their file. So like this one. Unless they have been configured to do so, for example, before an Apache server, okay. PHP space .jpg. Oh, okay. Similarly, many servers also allow developers to create special configuration files within individual directories in order to override or add one or more of the global settings. Apache servers, for example, will load a directory specific configuration from a file hdaccess one if one is present. Sounds good. Similarly, developers can make directory specific configuration on IIS servers using webconfig file. IIS is the Microsoft one. This might include directives such as the following: static content MIME a file extension JSON, right? Web servers use these kinds of configuration files when present, but you are not normally allowed to access them using HTTP requests. However, you may occasionally find servers that fail to stop you from uploading your malicious configuration file. In this case, even if the file extension you need is blacklisted, you may be able to trick server into mapping an arbitrary custom file extension to an executable MIME type. Okay. Interesting. Let's look at this one. The lab contains vulnerable image upload function. Same thing. Certain file extensions are blacklisted, but this defense can be bypassed due to fundamental flaw in configuration of backlist. Okay. So again, my account, right? Wiener Peter. We have upload. Let's say if I upload the same thing and do drop all this. Remove from scope. I'll just select again just to get that file. So intercept on, yes. Upload, send to repeater. I think if we just do PHP 5, that should work, right? Okay, sorry, PHP files are not allowed. What if we do send this? What? Did I do anything stupid? Oh. Well. Okay. This one is uploaded. I see. Yeah. So if I do again dot slash, but slash is again, why this doesn't work for me? Okay, might not even have to do this then. Yo, Gokul, what's up, bro? How you doing, my man? Okay. So let's make the list what you were saying. So we have done dot dot slash 1 is done. Dot dot percentage to F is done. Gokul, how you doing, brother? Next is, and we did with PHP 5, that is working. Magic byte? Like the null byte you mean? Daily reels for you 789. Wrench, you got fans, bro. As a few starting byte assigned to tell what type of content it has, like JPEG. Oh, okay. I had no idea. Forbidden. Okay. Maybe I'll do this then. Just let's change the name to this. Okay. We'll do that. One sec. I want to test this out. I think I did broke something in this file. First with the basic stuff. Like, what is the point where we, even with the null bytes, what we're going to do, where you want to put the null bytes? Because null bytes is when we want to remove certain things. That's like something is coming. You want like something here. Fuke. Dude, I think I need to start this though. I have to restart this. Because HTTP access file is like gone. Oh, like that you want. Then we need to change this to image/JPEG. Just reset, yeah, that's what I'm thinking. How do I reset this? Daily reels, you need to like he said he don't have any, like, if you want any questions, just join the Discord and there you can get it done, but you can't ping them, man. Hi Brian, what's up, bro? Long time no see. Happy New Year, mate. Lab page. Oh. On the top. Under the lab access button. Oh, inside the here, okay. There is no reset button. Oh, I want to reset the box because I think I broke it, the PortSwigger one. So I'm just trying to see if how to reset it. Yep, I did that. Hackers going to be hackers, you know. How will I restart? That's the thing, right? How will I restart? This is the banner. Yeah, first lead code, then it was TryHackMe, now PortSwigger. I'm on a streak. I did close that one. Oh, maybe I can do that. Start a different one. If it comes as the same URL, then I'm cooked. No, okay, this is a different one. So let's say I go back. No, this one is still same. Yep, it's still same. Okay, we can just move to the next one, I guess, for now. Wait for 5 seconds, okay. Sounds good, mate. I'll do that. It's interesting that I broke this one too accidentally. I like it. How did I break it? I think I changed the wrong file, man. I changed the HT access file. So now nothing will work. A bunch of URLs not going to work. Can I go to my account and then do it somewhere? Academy. I am. Yes. But not intentionally. Yo, Templar, what's up? No, the thing is like, how will it even work if I upload? Let's say I upload, right? If I want to make it work, the URL is not here. Let's say if I do this, I can't get anything. At least like it should be like something didn't work, or maybe this is how it's supposed to be. Just do it. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, let's just do it. See. Found. Okay. If the PHP causes the internal error. That is true. PHP can cause the internal error. That's a question I'm also figuring out, boss. The lab link, here you go. I don't know if you can do this one, because you have to like actually go to this. You need to get the access to the. This is the proper one. This is almost CTF right now we are doing. Check the hint. You need to upload 2 different files to solve this lab. Oh. Okay. Okay. 2 different files to get this. Okay. Okay, certain file extensions are blacklisted, but this defense can be bypassed due to flaw in the configuration. Upload a basic PHP to exfiltrate content. Submit the secret using the button provided in the lab banner. Okay, you have to upload 2 ones. Okay, so let's say if I upload this, a content here, upload, right? This one goes here. PHP can't do. Okay, that makes sense, sure. If we have a repeater too, let me stop this. Repeater. Thank you, Dad. Thank you. The value of the file name here. This one. Yes, like, share, subscribe. Pillage. PHP file, so this one is there looking at. This one worked. Internal server error. So HTTP access file, right? That's another one in our radar. Invisible configuration that allows pre-directory control over server behavior. Okay, I'll do that too. Dog bite, my man Rover hiding. Yo, how's the car case going on? Bro, girls are temporary. Hacking is permanent. Remember that. Just got home, got things set up for tomorrow. Leave for a 7-hour trip to pick it up and nice, bro. Have an amazing journey. Send some photos, man. And we have this as well. There is a nice. I want to see the dot files as well, the hidden files. Show hidden files too. Yo, how do I see the hidden files? Okay, one thing I can do is Don't park in the wrong place this time. Holy. It has been uploaded. So now this is going to work for us. That's great. What about this now? So now at least like we are able to allow the execution of all the files, PHP files. That's amazing for us. Now what we want to do is let's try this. I smell some really good food right now. I don't know who is that, but I think my neighbors are making some really good food. This is not. It's coming from the stream. You making biryani or something? Okay. Hi, Ma. Happy Lodi, everyone. Happy Lodi. Okay, at least like things are working for us, right? That's one thing. If I go do forbidden, okay. Lohri, Lohri. Lohri. It's a festival, lads. It's a festival. An unknown put a int value in that function. Wait, what? Okay, I just need to really understand. We have. Can we try this? Can I try this? PHP files are not allowed. Okay, how about this? Instead of PHP, I'll just change it to uploaded. Back to my account here. Let's see if I can get the reverse shell. Yes, I can get the reverse shell. Okay, so if I do ls no. I didn't say anything wrong, man. Okay, if I have the intercept on here, I upload this thing, request PHP 5 has been uploaded. If I go to test PHP 5, Even for test, it's coming like this, eh? This content is okay. If I do this, forward all, but I want to see the response. What is going wrong here? I just don't understand. If this much is working, here avatars test PHP blah blah blah. Not found. Okay, that's fine. Echo.php select. I'll just try to rename it here. No, I can't. Okay. Open recent content.php, save as php5, save. Open file, echo. This is here. So echo.php is coming. Is coming here. What I need to do is maybe go back to the history, last one. Get, no. Post last one here. Send to repeater. Slash send. If I come do like this, and this is also not working, right? If I encode it, as I'm running out of options and time. I do in 1 minute. I want to try this one last thing before I ask for help. Save as test web shell dot p capital HP 5. Okay, so upload test web shell should be uploaded properly. If I go here now, avatars, dude, I have no clue. I don't live in Delhi. I was born, I was brought up there, but yeah, I don't live there. It's coming like this, so there's something. How about this? If that's creating the issue, still like temperature is 400 plus. Yeah, the wrench is from Delhi. He can like give you the ground idea, latest updates. I'm getting that, but not this. Okay, what if I just want echo? What was it? Get file content? Get file content. Dude, I've tried so many things and at this point I'm getting frustrated. Wait, what? Select. Oh, I made a mistake, I guess. No, but the shell is not working, boss. Like if you see, if I want cat, it's not getting me the answer. Yeah, I guess that's the only thing left at this point. I was testing and now just have to go through burp again, every single one. The content, this is it. So if I do like the last time here, we do this URL encode all characters. Let's say if I do this, and this was the last one, where it is, this is here. Turn the intercept off for a second. Yup. Okay, wait, that kind of worked. Yes, I would like some help at this point. Yes. I would like some help. Yes, at this point. I know, but I don't have any. I would like a hint. I know one file has changed. Okay. Mm. Wait, HTTP access file, right? Like, there should be more changes I could make to it. Yeah, let's look at the hint. Your image. Yes, did that. Attempt to upload the script as the avatar. Okay, so just change this to .htt access. File. Wait, if I did this way. If I did this way. Okay. And no, I have to just change it to .ht access. Change the value of the content type to this. Replace the contents of the file, your PHP payload, with the following Apache directory. Oh. Use the back arrow. Okay. Yeah, I know. I just I didn't know it was like this was required. I had no idea that I have to add type application x http http this. I have no idea. I think they just assume we will be geniuses. Yeah. I think I would love to write back to them like, hey, I love your stuff, but like, what the fuck? Now it would be L33T. No, 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 no. This specific part was nowhere explained. Yeah. But like, my question is, right, if they're expecting at least from HTTP access, I was like, okay, allow the running of PHP file. I understood that part, but like, how can they expect like, oh, just know about all these things? Yeah. Okay. No, they didn't. They didn't. HTTP access, yes, they did, but not this part. Right? If we go here, they said Unicode, yes, looked into that. Oh, that's even not here. Here. Many servers allow developers to create special configuration files within the individual directories in order to override or add more global settings. So I did change the HTTP access files. Easy. Kakashi Senpai. So like we did change the HTTP access file so that PHP things are uploaded, right? If you are saying that, hey, you have to just upload 2 files, that's what is needed, I'm going to assume HTTP access files allow execution of PHP, did that, and then uploaded the PHP file. Right? Like, didn't have no idea about this static content. Oh boy. I guess this file upload is going to take a little bit more time than we thought. Honestly, I thought like in 2 hours we will complete at least here, exploit the race condition and race condition related stuff, and also this one, SVG using the put one. But at least we have very less stuff left, right? Which we can cover tomorrow and just do the CTF challenges. Where is the file? Where is my... So we have completed this one. Now we were talking about the HTTP access file. Flawed. We have obfuscation left. We have RCE left and put and JPEG. I changed this one. This part, content, no, not the here. Oh, this is like Bird Suite Web Academy, boss. PortSwigger Web Academy. Here, give me 1 second, boss. Yeah. Got all the steps. I did this. This is the one missing part. I was this is the part I was missing here. This one. Replace the contents of the file in the payload to this. I had no idea about this part, this specific line. That one is the only one. So I think what I'm going to do is like tonight I'm just going to like learn more about this MIMEs and like various directives and extensions about it. Right, about let's say even Apache, just one, if not IAS including. This part, this specific thing is the one. Because we did change the HTTP access file, right? Yes, so basically what it does, right? Whatever extension there is, right? You see, this maps arbitrary extension. So I can have lead, I can have ABCD, right? To executable MIME type. So what it did, let me explain. We have 2 files in the server. One is the .ht access files, which is like, the rules and regulations, what I have to do. In this, what they are saying, hey, if there is a file with L33T, right? If there is a file like that, we are changing the contents of this. File like this should be executable. Change these to executable. Then we upload this file, exploit, which was our PHP file. And we mentioned it should be executable like the PHP file. Lead, whatever, right? This will do the echo. What I did, my issue was, I said, if you saw the PHP file I uploaded, it should also have worked. I think there is just one thing I'm missing in that. Some understanding, which is, this is what I had. File matches PHP, PHTML, this, or order deny, allow, deny for all. So for PHP 5 was like running stuff. I need to like maybe understand HTTP access file a little bit more. That's where my mistake was. But all good. Right now, sorry lads, we could not complete all the stuff today. So probably we have to like do more tomorrow, right? Today is Wednesday, I believe, or Tuesday. No, today is Tuesday, right? So Wednesday and Thursday. By Thursday, we will be done with this easily, right? If not tomorrow, at least by Thursday, we'll be done. So we can focus on like our CTF challenges in this as well. Yeah, no worries, Insomnia. Oh, also, have this, the PDF is also there in the Discord I created using this. Oh, in Burp Suite, oh, you pasted. Thank you so much, man. Yeah. Yeah, indeed. I learned a lot. Have to make good notes. But also just check out the file upload. Senpai, what do you mean? Is this it? Like, yeah, for today it is it. Because I have work. I have to go. But tomorrow I will come around same time. Hopefully I will come early tomorrow so we can cover more. Right? But also look at the file upload vulnerability. This is the one. I used Comet to create like understanding of all the single topics they mentioned. My time zone is PST, boss. Pacific Standard. So in this, I instructed. I think I can just share what I did, right? This was my prompt. Basically, where is this? This was my prompt. I just shared so that it can create explaining the vulnerability, why it happens, because we need to know from a developer's perspective how can we exploit it, and remediation techniques. That was my main understanding, what I wanted to know. That's just how I like to learn. You can change the instructions, go on Comet, and can create better version of it. Sponsorship, no response yet, boss. Yeah, but yeah, I'll come tomorrow, and I'm going to at least download sponsorship on mine, and so that at least we have 10-20 bucks next month as well to do something. Yeah, that's all for now. Thank you so much, lads. Sorry we could not do more, but at least we did some learning, so I'm happy about that. We are making so much more progress. And in file inclusion is, I think, one of the very common ones, right? And very well, we should cover more than what TryHackMe did. So that's all for today, lads. Thank you so much for joining. Yeah, if you like the content, like, share, subscribe. Can't force you, which is okay. But thank you so much for all the messages. That's big. Do join the Discord. Here is the Discord. I will send the link quickly. One sec. Discord. Do join the Discord. You guys can chat. Send me some fun stuff, right? We can look. And yeah, for today, that was it. This has been your favorite censored hacker, the sniffer of packets, signing off with a big bye. Thank you so much, lads. Hope you have a great day or good night. Cheers.